Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a perpendicular line on an angled line. Let's get started. So I want to add a line here that is perpendicular. I also want it here and here. So let's click on line and then make sure that ortho is off. And I'm going to click on the line in the space first. So this will be the first point. And then after that, hold on shift and right click on your mouse and then click on perpendicular. After that, there will be an icon will be appearing on the line. So next thing you're going to do is you just need to click it and then press escape. We could double check this by going here and clicking angular. Choose one line and this line, and as you can see, it's 90 degrees. So let's do it again. I'm gonna click this line, click on the space first, right click, and then click on perpendicular. And then click on the line again, and it will be perpendicular to this line. Again, click on the line, the space, hold on shift and then right click and then click on the perpendicular. And once the icon appear, the perpendicular icon appear, you just need to click on the line. Thank you for watching and I hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.